Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to review Colson's Commander HD wheels. This is a Colson Commander HD wheel. If you need a wheel designed for superior performance in abusive applications, this wheel might be the perfect choice. It has a high load capacity and is impact resistant. Its hardness, or durometer, is 80D. To look at it differently, the tread hardness is roughly equivalent to that of a hard hat. Commander HD wheels are constructed of a durable nylon material that provides floor protection where steel or iron wheels don't. The wheels are machined, not injection molded, which provides superior resilience and impact strength. They resist moisture and most chemicals, and are suitable for corrosive environments. Commander HD wheels are available in 4x2, 5x2, 6x2, 8x2, 8x3, and 10x3 inch sizes. The wheels are slightly crowned, are easy rolling, and floor protectant. Commander HD wheels are tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -30 degrees to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on size, Commander HD wheels can support up to 7,200 pounds per wheel. Commander HD wheels are fitted with precision ball bearings to ensure excellent rollability. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Commander HD wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.